Hey Google, how do you transport 5-foot round tables upstairs by yourself?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
What's up, guys? You know who I am, the bartending photo boothing rental guy. Today is a very short, simple video just showing you how
You haul 5-foot round tables upstairs by yourself. Check it out.
So when I went to make this video, I was like, oh yeah, this is a great idea, because I had a realistic problem. I was like, okay, how am I gonna get these tables up these stairs all by myself? And then when I'm making the video, I'm like, man, this looks kind of dumb, but it's a serious way to solve a problem if you have stairs, so just roll them up. So anyways, if you like the video, give it one of those. Thanks for watching.